Hi guys, it's Brandon here from Your Marketing Secrets, and today I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks that you do not want to miss out on how Amazon can find you an award-winning product to sell on your Shopify store, okay? You do not want to miss out on this. I'm going to show you throughout the video a couple of secrets that I and many other dropshippers use to find the best products for not only more profit, which means more money in your pockets, but higher conversions and more sales, okay? You do not want to miss this. I'm going to hop on my computer and we're going to get to work here, all right? So you go to Amazon. If you don't yet already have an idea in your head, Amazon does a lot of great things to kind of find what products people love. So these things are pretty cool, electronics, whatever that is, I don't care, clothing, some sunglasses, a clock, I don't know, all this cool stuff. But what I like to usually do is go up to the top left, and it'll show you all the categories that they sell stuff in. All right, so like pet supplies, that's a big one. Food and grocery, probably not, but beauty and health would be a cool one. If you're interested in that, you can click on that. But whatever it is, I'm gonna go sports and outdoors because I don't know, I enjoy this kind of stuff. And honestly, any of this would work, but preferably, well, personally, I'm gonna go golf because I love golf. I'm a big golfer, and I could resonate with the products people buy and stuff like that. So, it shows up here a bunch of cool stuff that you can buy if you're a golfer, all right? And I'm not going to try to compete with the big guys like TaylorMade, like the golf sites. I'm not going to sell golf clubs or whatever, but rangefinders, training equipment, accessories, that's right up my alley as a dropshipper because those are kind of products I can find at a good quality at a cheaper price as well. Either way, whatever it is. So I like golf. Now that I thought about some cool stuff, that's some cool stuff, my niche, which is going to be golf, you can just go back up here, change this to alt departments. All right, and just type in what you want to do. So whatever it is, mine's golf, I'm typing golf up here. And I want you to notice that right off the bat, well, first of all, you want to ignore the sponsored ones. The sponsored ones are good, but just know that people are paying for you to see those, and those aren't typically what Amazon, wants you to see. But you see Amazon's choice for golf. All right, you see bestseller, you see bestseller, more bestsellers, more bestsellers. It's kind of funny. Nice shot, a-hole, I guess, whatever it is. But another bestseller. I want you to notice that it says bestseller because Amazon knows that these are the products that people love to buy. These are the products that people are resonating with. These are what people literally go on here, put their credit card information in, and press send to actually buy. See, 15 to 20 bucks. That's you're gonna make a lot of money off that product, or $28 is a bestseller, whatever it is. All right. So personally, I kind of like this one. It's like a little storage unit for your golf stuff. It's a bestseller, so it must be working. I'm gonna go here, and it's not all yet. So I want you to scroll down. Pretty cool stuff here. All right, whatever. Scroll down. Keep on scrolling. All right, so product details. This is where Amazon does all the work for you guys. This right here is one of the biggest secrets I'm going to show you guys. See right here. All right, it says 4,000th in sports and outdoors. So that means in all things sports and outdoors on Amazon, this is ranked 4,000 for being the best seller. Okay, what this means is that it's selling. Okay. And you want anything under 10,000, under 20,000, that will typically convert better on your Shopify store than anything else. So this is a great product to use because it's under 10,000 and it's related to my niche. It's a golf thing, and it's something that not many people have, like a little golf specific storage unit. You can store it in your locker, you can bring it on, you can bring it to a flight or whatever it is. I don't know what it is. You could use it. People buy it. So the next thing I want you to look at when you're on this is, I don't know why this one doesn't have it with it. It's really weird. I'm gonna go to the next product, but the next thing you typically want to find, I'll go to rangefinder. It says frequently bought together. So not only is Amazon showing you what products convert well, they're showing you the sequence of products that usually convert well together. So let's say you sell someone a rangefinder, okay? The next product that they should be able to see is a rangefinder case. Because typically people want to protect the rangefinder. That's not all. People also want to make sure the rangefinder is always working all their rounds, so they're going to be selling them batteries. All right, this is so big. If you sold one rangefinder and you broke even on your advertising fee, and then think about it, someone bought this, and then they bought the batteries as well. At that point, you're making $10 per person or more. It depends on how much you're pricing your points at. And that's how you find great products to sell, along with amazing complementary products using Amazon. Okay? And that's not all. Amazon also provides you with extremely high converting copy that they use for all their products. Now, obviously, I'm not saying go word for word, but you can definitely base all your copy that you're going to put on a page, on a sales page, on this copy right here, because that's actually what works. All right, so don't copy it, but definitely base it on it. Like, rephrase things, not word for word whatsoever, because that'd be plagiarism and that can get you in trouble. But there it is. That's how Amazon does it, and I can even show you for this product. Product details: 500. That's extremely well selling. 2,000 customer reviews, almost 3,000. 4.3 stars out of 5. This product's golden. Okay, you can do this for any niche. And go get it done, guys. Go like and subscribe to this video so I know that you guys are liking what I'm putting out. And let's go get them, baby. Let's go get them.